Hi friends, this video shows how to delete a paired or connected Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set remotes and accessories. Go down, here you can see Stone 352. That is the name of this speaker. Select it. Go down, here you can see forget. Using this forget option, we can delete this speaker. Let me select forget. Set yes.
Disconnected.
See, it's disconnected and deleted. Later, if you want to reconnect, go to pair remote or accessory, set it. Now it's searching for the Bluetooth devices. On top right corner, you can see Stone 352. Select it. That is the name of the speaker. Then we need to select pair. Set pair.
You're now connected to Boatstone.
Done. Connected. So this way we can delete connected or paired Bluetooth speaker, then later reconnect if required. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.